Create new geometrical set in the Work folder. Select New Geometrical Set and press Alt plus Enter to access Properties panel. Rename Geometrical Set in Feature Properties tab and press Enter to apply changes. Copy and paste subdivision surfaces from Step 1 into the new geometrical set using Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. Right-click on the folder Step 1 and select Hide/Show to hide surfaces of the folder. Make sure you have Shape Sculpt tab selected. Select IMA, Merge, and select Wheel Arc Surfaces. Reselect edges of the wheel arc surfaces. Switch to Join mode in Tools palette to merge the wheel arc surfaces with one bridge surface. Select Checkmark on the right of the Tools palette to accept changes or press Enter. Increase edges of the new bridge surface with IMA Face Cutting. Select Edge of the bridge surface and increase number of edges with the ruler on the right side of the Tools palette. Select Checkmark on the right of the Tools palette to accept changes or press Enter. Press Space to access directly into IMA Modification to adjust base mesh. Select vertices of the new edges with Trap selection. Shift plus left click and drag. Activate Affinity and Point selection.
Drag on the axis of the robot to scale vertices away from each other.
Change view to top view by clicking on the navigation box. Activate Translation and Point selection. Move vertices in the Y direction by dragging on the axis of the robot. Move vertices in the Z direction by dragging on the axis of the robot.